Today we present our practical 9040N-13 hose reel. The HAZET Hose Reel 9040N-13 makes working with pneumatic tools not only safer but more comfortable too. It's equipped with a flexible black polymer hose with an inner diameter of 13 mm. As well as pneumatic applications, the hose is also suitable for use with water. Thanks to the integrated drill template on the packaging, the hose reel can be easily installed. Hoses left lying around always pose an accident risk. With the HAZET hose reel, you can minimize this risk. The hose is deliberately restricted while it is automatically reeled in so that it won't thrash around, whether the hose is returned by hand or simply allowed to return. As well as the safety aspect, the 9040N-13 also eliminates tangled hoses in the workshop. Thanks to automatic guidance, neat winding of the hose is always guaranteed. The housing is fixed securely to the wall but remains flexible thanks to a swiveling mounting bracket. A hose length of 15 meters ensures enough range to extend the hose to the workplace, even though the hose reel is securely positioned. The best feature is the stop at any point function. With this, you can simply extend the hose to the desired length and secure it. This keeps the rest of the hose out of the work area. This function is reliable and easy to use. There are no predetermined stopping points to look for when extending the hose. The large inner diameter of 13 mm gives the hose a good airflow and makes it ideal for pneumatic devices with a high air requirement. This includes, for example, 3/4 inch or 1 inch impact wrenches used for commercial vehicles. The 9040N-13 hose reel creates order and ensures a safe and comfortable working environment, a must-have for all workshops.